morning. Last day here in Nepal, in Kathmandu, and our last day of our tour.
Process.
So guys, our last day today, and this trip, this journey has been filled with so many memories that I can share to you. And hindi ko ma-describe sa words, pero I'll give you the details once I get home. So another UNESCO Heritage Site.
3 times. 3 times. That's 3 times. Yeah. 3 times. Okay, 3 times. You sleep well?
So this is our very last destination. It's like the Ganges of India. So nandito nila yung kinikremate yung mga tao dito sa river. So i-check natin.
What's the belief? See what happens.
So ito pala daw yung ino-offer nila. Guys.
Look at the view.
So for 1 month daw, nilalagyan nila ng butter para sa kanila. And then the other
अनि बाबु हनुमानको कार्यसी तिम्रो हातमा छ
Any times? Yeah, I can't stay with you. That's the ritual thing. They China.
That's not the water quality. Alida yan. Belief nila.
Ano ko? Ay, I'm sorry, Day. Sorry,
Okay lang.
Also from there?
Yeah.
So I think when the body dies, it will gonna go inside, and then they were gonna offer
Yeah.
out here,
Yeah.
naked, right?
Yeah.
Naked.
Yeah.
Look at
And
this.
they will wash their feet and faces.
The dead body.
Dead body,
Yeah.
feet and faces in there, and then they will process
To the cremation. So they were gonna put like the yellow, I don't know, white one,
and then
the yellow, and then
cloth.
after that
How
wood.
did you know
Yeah,
that?
Sa Varanasi.
Ang Varanasi.
Wood pagkatapos na
Varanasi is like 1,000 of dead bodies.
Yeah.
They will cremation.
It's like this is
Oh, look at
what.
that. They're doing TikTok.
Family members.
And most of the people, those who live in country, they want
Family members are
made
here.
in here because this is the holy temple place. They are calling the Brahmins.
This is like the
Oh, the
palliative area
priest,
where they have to wait for the body to die.
Who is going there. So as for the priest, think they are from the district because of the state.
Yeah.
We haven't seen anything like this before, so it's really like. It's okay to post this, right? They're not gonna remove the clothes. Oh. Change it to white.
Yeah, I say, it's
The white.
the Oscar, that's the one.
Oh, that's the milk. They offer the milk, huh?
Yeah, oh, that's the cleaning time, I think.
So they clean the body with the milk.
Like
Honey.
5, 6, maybe more than 10 liters honey
Oh.
pour in their milk. And that's why we are saying, once we have a discuss, why we need to discuss. We came nothing, we have to go nothing. So why we are arguing this and that? We are seniors. But people are saying, but they are not doing in practical life.
And they are
Only
now.
for saying.
Oh, yeah. Washing their face.
The sandalwood, they are cleaning. Oh, okay.
Soap.
Hello.
Hi. Mark, basta may sage sila.
If you want to test if you are any unudo, then
यो चाहिँ तपाईँको यो कप सानो हुन्छ सर यिनीहरूलाई होइन